Hey, what's up guys, this is Satej. Xiaomi is expected to launch 2 new smartphones tomorrow in China according to co-founder and CEO. This new series from Xiaomi is said to be coming after the recent partnership between Xiaomi and Meitu, and the smartphones will be named Mi CC9 and Mi CC9e. While both are selfie centric, we are more interested in Mi CC9 as this will be feature packed among both of these. So without waiting anymore, let's get straight to it. Let's start with the code name. It's Little Fairy, which may sound girlish, and there is a reason for that, as it will be targeted toward feminine crowd with specific beauty filters and a colorful design featuring shifting pink and pearl hue. It is speculated to have a glass body with gradient design as I mentioned earlier. Along with that, a full screen display with 6.39-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen. Here you won't get any pop-up selfie camera, but a flip camera like the one found in Asus Zenfone 6G. And an in-display fingerprint scanner to complete the overall looks of this smartphone. Coming to processor, Mi CC9 is said to feature a Snapdragon 730 processor which could be found in Redmi K20 as well. This phone will come installed with Android 9 Pie with MIUI 10 skin on top. The USP of this phone will be camera, so let's check that. It has a flip camera which flips from the rear of the phone to the front. That means no need for a separate selfie camera. But that's not all. This phone has got a triple camera setup which is the first in the world for a flip motorized camera. Just to remind you, the Zenfone 6G has a dual camera for the flip mechanism. Mi CC9 comes with a 48 megapixel main sensor with additional telephoto and ultra-wide modules, giving you the same crisp, clear and vibrant photos for selfie as well. This phone has got a 4000 mAh battery with fast charging of 27 Watt. Along with that, a Type-C port, 3.5mm headphone jack, and will include NFC for wireless payment and other stuff. Coming to the price, it is said to have 3 memory configuration. The base variant will be 6 plus 128GB, which will be priced roughly Rs 25,000. The 8GB plus 128GB will be priced Rs 28,000, and finally the 8GB plus 256GB variant will be priced somewhere close to 31,000 rupees approximately. As for the launch date, tomorrow it will be launched in China. After that we will see in other regions. So subscribe to my channel and I will keep you updated. So be sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace out.